In 1869, a billiard ball company offered $10,000 to anyone who could replace ivory. Elephants were being slaughtered by the thousands just so wealthy men could play pool. One amateur chemist took the challenge. What he created changed every industry on Earth. By the mid-1800s, billiard balls required the tusks of entire elephants. A single set demanded 8 pounds of ivory. Herds across Africa and Asia collapsed. Suppliers warned the industry, find a substitute or the game dies. John Wesley Hyatt had no chemistry degree. He mixed nitrocellulose with camphor in a heated press. The result was celluloid, the world's first synthetic plastic. It could be molded, colored, and mass-produced. But it had one dangerous flaw: it was highly flammable. Celluloid billiard balls occasionally exploded on hard impacts. Saloon owners reported gunshot-like cracks at the table. Yet the material launched an entire industry. Film reels, combs, dentures, and eventually the plastics that now dominate modern life all started with a pool game.